Hi, this is Doug from Twig Olive Photography. I'm in beautiful Alaska, and one of the many places that I love to travel for photography. And I want to come to the Uncommon Creative coming up this September, Niagara on the Lake, and I want to be able to share my stories of travel, things that I've done in various places around the world and seen and shot and met amazing people. And Canada's going to be no exception, where we can get together and I can meet and hear your amazing stories and everything that you've done for photography. I like hearing people's what they've been successful at, what their struggles are, because I think part of my place in photography right now is not only to continue to take pictures that I love and inspired by families that I meet and couples that I meet, but to be able to wonderfully find ways to give back to the amazing photographer community that we have, and the Uncommon Creative that's going to be put together with the amazing instructors that we have. Everything that we're going to be putting together is going to leave you, I think, inspired. I think it's going to leave you refreshed. You're going to be able to take beautiful views like this, I hope, and find ways to make that with your clients, to give them wonderful pictures, wonderful products, wonderful experiences, and really be successful with business with them as well. I'm really excited. I truly, honestly want to meet a lot of people there. Please come and talk. I want everybody to feel like we're sitting down together and enjoying ourselves, and sharing drinks and stories and laughs. That's going to be so hugely important. So thank you so much for being a part of this. Thank you so much for having me be there. I know, like I said, I'm very dark in this video, but this sunset, this video doesn't do it justice how wonderful it is. So I'm gonna go turn this off and go enjoy that a little more. Thanks.